Hello everyone, I'm Nagesh Kharade. I welcome you all in this video lecture. Friends, today we are going to learn how to ask questions with the help of simple present tense. साध्या वर्तमान काळाचा वापर करून आपण प्रश्न कसे विचारावा हे आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये शिकणार आहोत. So remember one thing that there are four types of questions. First one is WH question with verb, WH question without verb, SNO type question with verb and SNO type question without verbs. So we'll be dealing with all these types of questions one by one. So let us see the first type of question, that is WH questions with verbs. So remember friends, WH questions always start with WH words. There are around 8 WH words like who, where, when, why, which, what, how many and how much. So these words have some meaning, like who means person, where place, when date or period, and where means place, why it is reason, and so on. So let us study the first type of question, that is WH question with verbs. So in this type of question you can see the structure is WH word plus helping verbs plus subject, and then it is followed by main verb. You can see clearly in this box. So the first column is of WH word, second column is of helping verbs, that is do and does. It is followed by subject and then V1 and other part if it is there. So we have considered here where as a WH question. So subject is you, therefore do is used. If there is third person singular noun or pronoun, it would have been does. So it is you, therefore it is do. And then main verb, that is live. Where do you live? That is the question. Means तू कोठे राहतोस किंवा तुम्ही कोठे राहता. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही असेच प्रकारचे प्रश्न घेऊ शकता. एक WH वर्ड घेऊ शकता, सब्जेक्टशी रिलेटेड हेल्पिंग वर्ब घेऊ शकता, डू किंवा डज, आणि मग सब्जेक्ट आणि त्याच्यानंतर क्रियापदाचं पहिलं रूप. याच्यामध्ये अजून काही आपण एक्झाम्पल्स बघूया. तर WH वर्ड आपण इथे घेतलोय व्हॉट, यू आहे म्हणून डू, व्हॉट डू यू, आणि मेन वर्ब डू. इन द मॉर्निंग हे रिमेनिंग पार्ट मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं. दुसरा प्रश्न आपण बघूया, दुसरा एक्झाम्पल. लेट्स सी द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. अगेन आय हॅव यूज्ड व्हॉट, WH word, what do, that is helping verb for you, what do you prefer is verb, and tea or coffee means again object or other part. Third example is when do you have lunch? What do you do here? You can also refer some third person singular pronouns. How does he come to class? How does he come to class? Which subject does he like most? I have used he, therefore the helping verb will be does, not do. So which subject does he like? How does he come to school? Why does he visit Pune frequently? So in this way you can frame number of questions and ask them to your friends or family members or anyone. So this is about WH question with verbs with reference to simple present tense. Now let us see the second type of question, that is WH question without verbs. So there is slight difference between WH question with verb and WH question without verb. Earlier we used do and does as helping verbs, but in this type of questions we will be using am, is, are. So let us see in detail. So let us see the structure of this type of question. So you can see in the box WH word is there. First of all, it means the question starts with WH word. It is followed by auxiliary verb as per the subject or object. So let us see an example. So we have considered where as a WH word. The person is Ramesh. He is the third person singular pronoun. So singular means is. It is singular, so is will be the auxiliary verb, and again it is followed by object, that is person. Where is Ramesh? It means Ramesh कोठे आहे. Let us see some more examples. So here you can see I have used how. So the object is you, therefore are is used. How are you? Who, the person is object, therefore is, because it is singular. Who is the person? What is the time? Time is uncountable, so it is always used singular, that is considered as singular, and therefore is used. Why are you late? So why is WH word, are is used because you is object and late. How many students are there? So how many students is a WH word, and again are there. So these are the some of the examples. You can also use am, like who am I? मी कोण आहे? So in this way you can ask a number of questions. WH question without verbs. Now the next type of question is SNO type question with verbs. So in this type of questions, the question starts with do or does, that is helping verbs. If there is third person singular pronoun or noun, the questions start with does, and in terms of other pronouns or subjects, the questions start with do. Let us see this type of question. The structure of this type of question is auxiliary verb plus subject plus V1, and it is followed by object. Auxiliary verbs are to, does and does for simple present tense, and they are used as per the subject. So here the subject is you, therefore do is used. Do you, we have considered like as a verb, and then it is followed by object, whatever you can add there. Do you like chocolate? Do you like Pepsi? Do you like tea? Anything can be asked. So let us see some more examples. So first one, do you follow? Do is helping verb, you is subject, follow is main verb, traffic rules is the object. In the same way, do you respect your teachers, parents and elders? Do you go to college every day? Now here Rani, it means Rani is the third person singular noun. It is third person. So we use does. So does Rani drive your car? He is third person singular pronoun, so does is used. सो डज ही सिंग सॉंग्स. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला एक लक्षात ठेवावं लागणार आहे, सब्जेक्ट कोणता आहे ते नीट आपल्याला लक्षपूर्वक बघावं लागेल आणि मग त्यावरूनच आपण हेल्पिंग वर्ब वापरणार आहोत. तुम्ही प्रश्न समोरच्या माणसाला विचारत आहात तर तुम्ही डू वापरू शकता. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, डू यू डू दिस, डू यू डू दॅट, डू यू ड्राईव्ह, डू यू स्विम. खूप सारे प्रश्न विचारू शकता. आणि समजा सेकंड पर्सनला विचारायचं आहे आणि थर्ड पर्सनबद्दल विचारायचं आहे तर तुम्ही डज वापरायला पाहिजे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, डज ही अटेंड क्लास, डज ही गो टू कॉलेज एव्हरी डे, डज ही यूज मोबाईल, डज शी कॉल यू. अशा प्रकारे जास्तीत जास्त प्रश्न तुम्ही वापरू शकता. वन मोर थिंग यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड is that when you use does, there is no need to use s suffix to the main verb. Mostly people make mistake in this case. So once you use does, there is no need to add s or es suffix to the main verb in any sort of sentence. Does means the existence of s or es suffix. So there is no need to use s or es suffix to the main verb. This is the most important thing I would like to mention here. Now the last but not least type of question is S-no type question without verb. आपण नेहमी विचारतो, तू हे आहेस का, विद्यार्थी आहेस का, पालक आहेस का, तो पोलीस आहे का. सो अशा प्रकारचे प्रश्न आपण या टाइप मध्ये विचारू शकतो. सो इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन the question starts with am is are, that is helping verb. The helping verbs will be used as per the subjects. If it is singular, is used. If it is plural, are will be used. So here again it is yes-no type question. So the question will start with helping verbs am, is, are. Again it is followed by subject and other part, maybe object or something else. So let us see. So subject is you, therefore are is used. So are you a student? That is the question. तो विद्यार्थी आहे का, तो असा आहे का, तसा आहे का, तो पोलीस आहे का, तो चोर आहे का, तो विद्यार्थी आहे का. असे अनंत प्रश्न तुम्ही एखाद्याला विचारू शकता. Let's see some more examples. So he is there, therefore helping verb is used. Is he a cameraman? You is there, therefore are is used. Are you from Australia? You can also ask this question in this way. Are you an Australian? Are you a foreigner? In this way. So she, again it is third person singular, so is used. Is she a clever student? So they is plural, therefore are is used. Are they friendly people? Is there any hotel? Any hotel, एखादा हॉटेल आहे का, म्हणजेच सिंग्युलर आहे, therefore is there any hotel? So in this way we have completed 4 types of questions with respect to simple present tense. So these are all type of questions you need to study and remember, and with the help of all these questions you can simply ask questions and answer the questions as well. Now we have seen all these types of questions. Now let us try to ask some questions to our friends, our relatives and to unknown people as well. Suppose I want to ask a question to a friend about his address. So I should ask, where do you live? If I want to ask his profession, what do you do? So Sometimes you want to get confirmed something about the person, whether he is police or not. So in this situation you can ask questions. So in this situation you can ask question, are you a police, are you a student, are you a teacher, are you my friend, and so on. Sometimes you want to know something about a person's biodata. For example, it may be DOB, date of birth, it may be name, it may be his qualification, it may be his profession. So you can ask number of questions like what is your name, what is your age, what is your profession, what is your date of birth, and so on. Sometimes you have to ask questions like SNO type questions. You need to get it confirmed whether he does a particular thing or not. For example, do you study every day? Does he attend classes regularly? Does he smoke? Does he have tea? Does he like chocolate? Does she like chocolate? And so on. So in this way you can ask n number of questions to your nearer and dearer ones, and practice speaking English with your friends, family members, and relatives. So asking questions is the crucial part or inevitable part of our life. We ask questions every day, every minute, and every single hour. So I hope you liked this video, and I also hope that you will practice whatever I told and will try to speak English and improve your English. Thank you very much.